In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Wix Studio templates. This guide will take you through the step-by-step process, making it easy and enjoyable to create the website you envision. Let's dive right in. Once you've logged into your Wix account, you'll find yourself on the home dashboard. Here, we start our journey to create a visually stunning site. As you make your way around the dashboard, direct your attention to the top right corner. Here, you'll notice a button labeled Create New Site. By clicking this button, you'll embark on the exciting path of exploring Wix Studio templates. Now that we've clicked Create New Site, we're taken to the template selection area. This is essentially a treasure trove of design options ready for you to explore. You'll find an array of templates across different categories to suit any style or purpose you're aiming for, whether it's for a business, portfolio, or personal blog. Up at the top, there are filters that offer an efficient way to further refine your search. These filters allow you to narrow down the options based on specific design elements, industry needs, or even color schemes, making it easier to find the perfect match for your vision. As you browse through the templates, take your time to explore the vast number of choices. You might want to click on a few that catch your eye to preview them fully and see how they might fit your needs. When you find the one that resonates most with what you're looking to create, it's time to get hands-on with editing. Hover your mouse over your chosen template, and you'll see an Edit button appear, ready for you to click. This is where the fun of customization truly begins. Once you've clicked on Edit, you'll be taken into the template editor. This is your creative space where you can really bring your ideas to life. The editor is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, allowing you to change text, replace images, adjust colors, and tweak layouts to perfectly align with your brand or personal style. Spend some time experimenting with different elements, and don't be afraid to explore the various tools available to you as part of the editing suite. The more you play around with these features, the more you'll become familiar with their capabilities and how they can enhance your website. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've customized a Wix Studio template to meet your specific needs and preferences. Whether it's a fresh new look for a business site or a personal blog that reflects your unique personality, using Wix Studio templates to craft your online presence can be a truly rewarding experience. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you feel inspired to start creating. Happy website building!